Hi, today we're talking about flight tickets. So, if you're constantly generating flight tickets and you want to automate the process of generating PDF files, then this video is for you. So, as you can see, this is a flight ticket PDF document which we have created in a Google Doc. So, basically, we'll be using this Google document to create PDF files, but all on automation. Along with this flight ticket document that we have, we also have a flight ticket database. So basically, we have the passenger name, the email, the phone number, the passport number, everything added over here. And we have used exactly the same fields that you see in the database inside this Google document, but they have been put up inside double curly brackets on both sides. So like we have passenger name, passenger email, passenger phone, passport number. All these fields are put up inside double curly brackets on both the side. These are the exact fields which we have created in Notion database. So what the automation will do is it will start fetching information for every row of data in this database, and it will create a PDF file out of that, fetching the values for every column of the database and replacing those values onto this Google document. So let us understand how this will work. First of all, head over to PDF output. This is the tool which will help you create the PDFs on automation. Click on get started and simply sign in with any of your account that you're going to use. So I'm quickly going to sign in with one of my accounts. And once you're signed in, we will be able to see what we will do further to create this automation process. Okay, so as you sign in, you will be able to see an interface like this where you need to connect your Google account and connect the Notion database as well. So first of all, let's connect the Google document. Click on connect Google Docs and choose the account where the template is located. So I'll choose this account where my template file is there and click on continue. And over here, make sure you provide access to this particular part. Okay, if this access is not given, then the automation will not work. So make sure you give access to this and click on continue. So our Google Doc is connected. Next is the Notion database. So click on connect Notion and let it load up so that we can see the entire process. So over here, once it starts loading, select the particular account which you're going to use. Once that is selected, click on select pages. Okay, and then simply copy the database that you have on your Notion account and go back to that particular field and add the database over here. Okay, you will be able to see the database pop up. Click on this. Now the database will be added up over here. Scroll down, click on allow access. So now the PDF output tool will gain access to the database. And now we can select the template in the database and start the automation. So I'll click on select template, scroll up, you can see browse template, click on this, and let's copy the entire name of the document. So select everything, copy the name of the document, go over here, paste the document name, click on search, and select the flight ticket PDF generator, click on select. So now you can see the template is appearing here. Click on this and click on use this template. So the template is added. Let's click on select database and you can see the database showing over here. Click on this and the database is also added. It will automatically map all the fields and it shows us that all the placeholders have been correctly mapped. If you click on show preview, you can see all the Google document placeholder mapped to the corresponding placeholder in the Notion database. Okay, so everything is mapped side by side and we're ready to generate three documents. Okay, so click on generate three documents. We have three rows of data, that's why three files will be generated. And let's wait for the automation to finish and we can check the files after that. So currently it is generating three files. So you can add more rows and it will generate all the files. So let us check the output. I'll go to the downloads folder, and if you double click on this and you can see all the files are created over here. So this is for Sneha Verma. If you observe the database that we have, so we have Sneha Verma over here, and the email is also the correct email. Okay, so and the phone number, the passport number, everything that you see has been correctly fetched from the database. Okay, and the entire document has been created. Let's check the second one. This is Raj Mehta, which we fetched from the database. And finally we have the last document, which is Anita Sharma. So we have also fetched this from the database. So basically it mapped all the values from the database onto this Google document and it created the PDF file for us. This is how easy and simple it is to create this automation. Okay, the key thing to understand is that whatever placeholder you are using, make sure to put it inside double curly brackets on both sides. Use the exact same field in the database, and the automation tool will map it automatically, or you can manually map the properties and create the PDF file out of that. Okay. If you are in need of adding more databases, simply refresh you can disconnect both the Google document as well as the Notion database. Once you disconnect this, you can reconnect everything once again and get started with the automation. So that's it for the demonstration. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any questions, simply reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you with any of the stuff. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.